Let me show you a quick and easy way to make these cutout videos. First, you'll need to get your clips together in order how you want them. I have 5 clips here. You're going to want to go to the first frame of each one of these clips and go ahead and take a snapshot that you're going to go ahead and open in Photoshop. Once you're in Photoshop, you're just going to want to cut out the vehicle or cut out the object and then export that as a PNG. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can spend all the time you want cutting it out and making this as perfect as possible. I like to add a feather just to make the edge not so rough. I'll usually select the object and then inverse the selection and then delete it. Once you have all those saved as a PNG, you're going to want to import those into Premiere. Then once in Premiere, you're going to want to go ahead and bring those to your sequence and shorten those down to about 1/2 second. And then you're going to want to set the keyframe on the last frame as it, because that's where it matches up with the next frame. Then you're going to want to go back to the first frame and go ahead and change that how you want it, or move that to where you want it to come from. So then you will also want to make sure you easy ease and add a curve to the graph. You'll then want to add directional blur. Make sure to set the last keyframe as 0 for the blur length. That way it lines up with the video. If it's coming from the side, you'll want to do 90 degrees, and if it's coming from the top or bottom, you'll want to do 180 degrees. You'll then want to go to the first frame and set the blur length to something like 100 or higher. I would also add an easy ease and a graph to this one as well. That way it looks smoother. You're going to want to go ahead and do that with each one of the cutouts that you made. And once you do that with all those, that should look like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that made it quick and easy for you. Go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.